This fruity strawberry and cream trifle is easy to make and fun for summer entertaining. To get started, place the gin and sugar in a saucepan over low heat and stir for 2 minutes until the sugar dissolves. You can swap the gin for cranberry juice, as we did here, if you don't want to use alcohol. Increase the heat to medium and bring the mixture to the boil. Cook without stirring for 5 minutes or until the syrup thickens slightly, then set aside for 10 minutes to cool. Next, place the strawberries and raspberries in a large heatproof bowl. Pour the syrup over the berries, then cover and pop in the fridge to chill for 1 hour. Use an electric mixer to whisk the cream and icing sugar in a large bowl until soft peaks form. Carefully remove the icing from the top portion of the cake. The easiest way to do this is by using a large serrated knife. Then remove the paper casing from around the cake. Place the cake in the bottom of a large glass serving dish and gently press the cake to spread to the edge of the dish. Then spoon over a third of the berry mixture. Spoon half the cream mixture over the berries in the dish. Set aside 1 macaron, then arrange the remaining macarons around the side of the dish. Spoon half the remaining berry mixture over the cream mixture. Top with the remaining cream and the remaining berries. Top the trifle with the reserved macaron, then place in the fridge for 1 hour to chill before serving. This impressive trifle will give some wow factor to the table. Give it a go for your next celebration.